Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to replace your shower head. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change the shower head. This one's starting to look a bit old and doesn't really stay up by itself anymore. So,
to do this, you're just going to need your new shower head, a pair of multi-grips, some silicone, a pair of pliers and a screwdriver, using that to turn the water off, and some thread tape.
alright, first step is to turn your water off at the street. Most taps just have a tap. You can turn off by hand. For some reason ours has got this one, you've got to use your pliers on. Once you've done that, just come and turn your taps on, drain the system. We've already done that, so there's no water coming out. The next thing you want to do is get your multi-grips, clamp them on, just undo that in an anti-clockwise direction. Pull off any old thread tape. Alright, so the new shower comes with a new cover here, but we're going to keep the old one in this case because of the size of the hole behind, and this isn't going to cover that. So we're going to keep that. We are going to just cover that hole up with some silicone as well, because that wasn't done before. Alright, we've got all the old thread tape off, so we're just going to wrap some new thread tape on. Just going to wrap it around about 4 or 5 times, break it off. Alright, we've got our new shower. We're just going to wrap some thread tape around this as well. And then just screw the new shower head on. And just get the new shower head and screw it on. Just going to get the multi-grips with some cloth so we don't damage the new fitting. And tighten up that the rest of the way. And there's your new shower. And then once you've turned the water mains back on, just make sure the taps are working.